Welcome back to the finals of the World Brewers Cup Championship 2021 here in host Milano. Without further ado, introducing Ply Pasarj representing Canada.
Welcome. 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 Thank you. Yes. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you very much. We'll have fun. You ready? Yeah. Can I get music check, please? Okay. Can we restart? Perfect. Let's get started. Time. Hello, judges. Welcome. Thank you for being here with me today. I'm hoping you're having a wonderful time so far. My name is Ply from Rogue Wave Coffee Roasters in Edmonton, Canada. Today, I'm so excited to brew and share with you this amazing coffee that I create to tell you a story of fondest memories of my childhood through flavors and aroma. When I taste this coffee, it brings me back to my younger days, growing up in the northeastern part of Thailand, sitting in my backyard, enjoying freshly sliced mango, sweet pineapple, juicy mandarin, and enjoy that linger fragrance of orange blossoms linger in the air. This coffee is actually two coffee, both of geisha varieties, grown in Panama. I roast this coffee for you 9 days ago for optimal flavors and aroma. To make it easier for you to follow along, here's your menu for today. Contain coffee information, brewing method, evaluation guide, as well as tasting notes on the other side. Feel free to take it back with you, so please relax and enjoy. Now for the coffee. The first coffee is 144 hours anaerobic fermentations and then dry on raised bed for 25 days. This coffee was grown at 1,500 meters above sea level at Hacienda Caña Verdes. It is grown and produced by my good friends Jose Lutrell. These natural geishas contribute complex sweetness that you will taste as mango and mandarin. I will be using 8.5 grams of this coffee. The second coffee is a traditional wash geisha produced at Finca Carmen Coffee Estate at 1,700 meters above sea level. This wash geishas contribute to a vibrant acidity that you will taste as pink grapefruit and pineapple. I will be using 4 grams of this coffee. By combining these two beautiful coffee, I can create a unique experience that encapsulated the flavors of my childhood. So to brew this coffee properly, I need to grind them at different grind size. The natural geishas are grinding at medium coarse at an average of 700 micron, whereas the wash geisha grinds slightly finer at average of 650 microns. To brew this coffee, you choose a plastic origami dripper. As you can see, we have straight ridges and medium-sized hole together with a flat bottom paper that is dense but thin, allow me to control the flow rate of my brew. The nature of the material also regulate the temperature of my brew as well. All this together allow my coffee, the final cup, to be complex and well balanced from first sip to last. Now, on the other side of the scale, there's also timer and weight, so that it's easy for you to follow along. As for my recipe, 45 grams of 12.5 grams of coffee, to 200 grams of water. Ratio 1 to 16. First, I add 45 grams of water for a pre-infusion of 45 seconds. This allows my coffee to completely degas, and it will be extract nicely in my next pour. My second pour, 85 grams of 230 grams of water. Here, I pour at higher height to increase agitations for optimal acidity and sweetness. You will find that the coffee acidity will be medium intensity from hot, warm, and cold. My last pour, 70 grams up to 200 grams of water. Here I pour at lower height to reduce agitation, to control the body, and prevent bitterness in my final cup. You will find that the body will be silky when it's hot, juicy when it's warm and cold, with a smooth and coating texture throughout. My total brew time, 2 minutes and 18 seconds. For the aroma, the first thing that will hit you will be mango, quickly change into stewed peaches that turns into butterscotch. And there's gentle fragrance of orange blossom throughout. For flavor notes, when it's hot, you will get pink grapefruit, pineapple, and orange blossom. When it's warm and cold, the sweetness increase. You will get mango, mandarin, honey, milk chocolate, and orange blossom. The aftertaste, cocoa butter, honey, mandarin, and orange blossom. For aroma evaluations, please enjoy from the carafe and swirl where you're taking that beautiful aroma. But be careful, it is hot. Enjoy. Take your time and enjoy while prepare for service. Are you ready? Thank you. Are you ready? Thank you. Are you ready? Thank you. For flavor evaluations, please sip and slurp from the cup. This cup has been designed for you to hold with 2 hands, which create warmth and comfort. There you go, enjoy. There you go, enjoy. Here you go, enjoy. Judges, lastly, I believe that every coffee producer, barista, and roasters are trying to create the best coffee that they can through their own experience and story. So today, I would like to thank you as I get to serve you a coffee that I created, which encapsulate the flavors of my childhood. This is my story. Time.
Ply Pasarj from Canada. Nailed it, Ply. If you want to come join me in the interview corner over here. That was such a sincere and heartfelt routine. Super smooth. You weren't trembling at all. A little bit.
A little bit.
A little bit. Yeah, tell me how you're
It's
feeling.
perfect. It's good. Yeah, I feel great. I really enjoy it. It's been lovely. So, yeah, it's been great.
Can you tell me a little bit about why you decided to pay homage to your, your childhood growing up with this routine in particular? And was this the same routine that you did at Canada as well?
It is not exactly the same. The coffee is quite different. The flavor notes are similar, and I really enjoy this routine that I create. And part of it, the childhood things, is also part of the national, and I really want to tell that story at Worlds, and so that's why I choose it.
I think it's beautiful. And did I hear correctly that you said that you'd roasted this coffee 9 days ago?
9 days ago,
and
yeah.
you had done the roasting.
Yeah, that's right.
Can you tell me a little bit about the insight that gives you, having taken this coffee through, the roasting process, and how much that informs your routine as well? Because not a lot of baristas or brewers get to do that. So
Right. Yeah, I'm really fortunate to have access to the roasters, and actually I roasted on the Ikawa, which helped me to. I go through about 20 different profiles for each of the coffee. It's been really crazy, and actually I chose this profile 3 days ago.
Bit tight, but yeah.
Very tight. Yeah.
What made you
Very
decide to
tight.
do that?
It seems like after about 8-9 days, the profile really opened up, and when I brew it with the water here, it's become a very beautiful coffee that I'm proud to serve it to the judge.
Amazing.
Yeah.
And is there anything you want to say to Team Canada, to anyone supporting you at home?
And here,
Yeah,
Team Canada's
and
over
live.
there. Yeah.
I see a big Team Canada representing there, right in the front.
Yeah, I would like to thank you. I got so many messages after, a lot of support, and thank you everyone at Rogue Wave Coffee, and Russell team, and also every other Canadian that reaching out. There's so many people that I want to say thank you to, but mainly, definitely the two Davids, that co-owner of Rogue Wave Coffee with me. They're the people who get me to join Coffee World. So it's really great. Yeah.
Look at what a beautiful journey that is. Everybody, Ply Pa from Canada. Thank you very much, Ply. Well-deserved break. Head on backstage and relax. You're done.
Thank you.
And everybody, we are now down to our final finalist, the sixth competitor today, which will be on stage at about 2 p.m. Central European Time. Thomas Tausig representing the Czech Republic. So make sure you come back. Stay tuned.